cut out the center here. That's a good girl. I wanted to engrave this face onto a powder coated blank from Study Garage. Here's a look at the end result. Oh man. All the way up to 84. So that'll be awesome, and I'll get rid of the key. Oh man, so excited to finally own a pair of Racing Bros Bishops. So now we got the Bishops installed. All the fronts a little bit together here. So now with the tank cut, we have plenty of clearance between here. Extensions are now anodized black. Reason like 1000 that I like 3D printers. There is no space in between the back here. I don't even think I could slide a piece of plastic in there, so that's not gonna work. Planning ahead for transport, I need to figure out a way to adapt this hub bolt to my pit bull mount, which is what I use to transport all the bikes and the trailers. So I went ahead and 3D printed this. Little update on the brake side here. Went ahead and put the Brembos on. This is so nice. I love how this looks. So nice. It's gonna look so awesome. Batteries in, hub motor's off the ground. We're gonna try to power this up for the first time, and we have no idea. We have no clue on how this is gonna go, so that's good. Let's do some fire. Sounds like a Jetsons.
It does.
Got it?
I mean, kind of.
You can feel it kick up from the front.
Oh, man. Yeah, wait a minute.
That's really low throttle too. Oh, that's a good noise.
I mean, your math is pretty close.
Really?
Look at that.
Yo!
63 horsepower.
That's
on
awesome.
the base tube.
Yep. That's awesome.
Wow. Oh yeah? Okay. You ready? Torque number.
Let's do it.
The math says this should work.
The math never lies, right?
Never lie.
Never lies.
And go.
You can just see it dip and big. It's
perhaps, I don't know, it says that it just made 437 pounds of torque.
I mean, that's about,
Is that right?
no, yeah, I mean, I would not be surprised. It's, the torque is that's what it is, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna need that seat, my guy.